Alright, so guys, this video is to show you how to dilate an image. It could be a triangle, it could be any shape whatsoever, okay? So what we have here is we have this triangle, MAT. And the problem is telling you to dilate it by a scale factor of 1/2, which you should already know that if it's less than 1, it is going to get smaller. Alright, so it's really easy, alright? So we have 3 coordinates there, MAT. Best thing to do is just write down those coordinates first. So M, if you look at it, it is 4, 6, yeah, 4, 6. That is your coordinate for M. A is 4, 6, 8, 2, yes. And T is -3, 0. All right, so we have the 3 coordinates that are given on the graph. Now to dilate a shape, all you need to do is multiply the coordinates by the scale factor. So you're just going to multiply the 4 and the 6, both of them, by 1/2. You're going to multiply the 8 and the 2, both of them, by 1/2. And the last one, same thing, multiply by 1/2. If you multiply 4 by 1/2, you get M prime to be 2. 6 times 1/2, you get 3. Nice and neat. A prime is going to end up being 8 times 1/2, that's 4. 2 times 1/2, you get 1. And T prime is not going to be as neat, which you're going to see in the problem, in the assignment. You might end up with some of this. -3 times 1/2, you could leave it as -3/2 or -1.5. Doesn't matter. 0 times 1/2 stays 0. All right, so after dilating by 1/2, your new coordinates are going to be M prime, A prime, T prime. So we're just going to plot those points on the graph. So M prime is 2, 3. So 2, 3, M prime. A prime is 4, 1. 4, 1. That's your A prime. And last one, T prime is -3/2, which is just -1.5, 0. So -1.5 and 0 ends up being around right there for T prime. And again, if you're dilating by something smaller than 1, you should get something smaller. So that is how you dilate a shape. All right, so hopefully this helps.